Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Prateek Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I'm Dhawan and I'm going to create a delicious mouth-watering treat known as Tandoori Chicken Wings. So let's start cooking. First we are going to make Tandoori Chicken Masala. For that I'm going to take a pan, switch on the gas. Once the pan starts getting hot, I'm going to first add dry red chilies, 10 to 12 cloves, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorn, 12 to 15 cardamom pods, 2 black cardamom pods, mace, cinnamon stick, fenugreek seeds, quarter nutmeg, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, kasuri methi, and to balance the heat of the spices, I'm going to add little salt. We are going to dry roast these spices for at least 2 minutes till they start releasing out aroma. Well, these spices have released their aroma. I'm going to let them cool down for a while and then I'm going to add little more spices to it and grind into a fine powder and our tandoori spice will be ready. To the dry roast spice mix, I'm going to add few spices. In that, I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, ginger powder and hing. And there you go guys, our tandoori spice is now ready. Let's start making the marination. For that, I'm going to take the chicken wings. To that, I'm going to add curd, ginger garlic paste, tandoori spice, chickpea flour, lemon juice. To add little smokiness to the wings, I'm going to add mustard oil, freshly chopped coriander, and last some salt. Now let's start mixing it all together. Tandoori chicken wing marination is now complete. We have kept the wing aside for resting. In the meanwhile, I have heated a coal which will add good smoky flavor to the wings. I'm going to take the coal and place it in the center of the chicken wings. To that, I'm going to add kasuri methi and butter and immediately close it and let it rest for more 15 minutes. The chicken wings are nicely smoked. Let's start placing them on the baking tray. After placing the wings on the baking tray, I'm going to bake the wings for at least 25 to 30 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. And there you go guys, our tandoori chicken wings are now ready. Let's start garnishing them. Sprinkle some chaat masala and freshly chopped coriander. And there you go guys, my favorite appetizer tandoori chicken wings are now ready. You also do try this recipe and do share your love in the comment section below. I will see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care of yourself and keep cooking.